Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into the openssl is not recognized as an internal or external command error, why it happens, and how to fix it on Windows. This error occurs because your system cannot find the openssl.exe executable when you type openssl in the command prompt or PowerShell. Understanding the problem. The not recognized error fundamentally means that the operating system doesn't know where to find the program you're trying to run. The openssl command is part of the openssl toolkit, which provides cryptographic libraries and tools for secure communication over computer networks. When you type openssl in your terminal, your operating system searches through a predefined list of directories, the path environment variable, to find an executable file named openssl.exe. If it doesn't find it in those locations, you get the error. Causes of the error. 1. openssl is not installed *. This is the most obvious cause. If you haven't downloaded and installed the openssl toolkit, the executable simply won't be present on your system. 2. openssl is installed, but not in the path *. You might have installed openssl, but the directory containing openssl.exe isn't included in your system's path environment variable. This means the operating system doesn't know to look in that specific directory when you try to run the command. 3. Incorrect installation.